Hello and welcome to Oracle Video Tutorials. In this video, we'll use IMPDP or Data Pump Import utility to import data. Like Export Data Pump utility, Import Data Pump utility can be found in bin directory under Oracle Installation Directory and is run by CMD in Windows. And like Export DP utility, import can be done in full schema and tables mode. After navigating to the bin directory, type IMPDP, username/password, provide directory name we created in export tutorial, dump file name from we would import our data, log file that would log this process, tables, list of tables we like to import, and they should exist in dump file we are importing from. Here we are importing table employees from the dump file, and we want to rename this employees table to EMP. For this, we'll provide remap underscore table parameter, and as its value, we'll provide source schema name, in this case HR, dot, and existing table name to be imported, colon, and new name of the table, and in this case EMP. Here is our newly imported table. In this demo, we'll import tables from a dump file but in a different schema than the source schema. So here we'll provide parameter remap underscore schema, and as its value we'll provide source schema colon target schema. Now the tables mentioned in the tables parameter will be imported from the source schema, in this case HR, to the target schema. Now in the user1 schema, we can verify that our data is imported. SQL file parameter allows us to create a DDL script file instead of actually importing data into the schema. Provide SQL file parameter and as its value, name of the file .sql. Now in our directory, we can verify that our SQL file is created with all its DDL script.